Hold the Enter button until the purifier icon flashes, and use the arrow buttons to navigate to the temperature unit icon. Press the Enter button again. Use the plus/minus arrow keys to set the desired temperature unit. Press the Enter button to return to the main menu. Firelight. This function allows the user to activate the firelight effect that reproduces the authentic flickering light of a wood fire. Press the flame heat on/off button to turn the fireplace on. Hold the Enter button until the purifier icon flashes, and using the arrow keys, navigate to the firelight icon and press Enter. Press the up or check arrow to turn the firelight on, and use the down or X arrow to turn the firelight off. Press the Enter button to return to the main menu. Flame speed. This function allows the user to adjust the flame speed to suit their taste. Press the Heat Flame button to turn on the fireplace. Hold the Enter button until the purifier icon flashes, and using the arrow keys, navigate to the flame speed icon and press Enter. Use the plus/minus arrows to increase and decrease the flame speed. The bar graph icon on the remote control will display the flame speed. Use the Enter key to return to the main menu. Light dimmer. This function allows the user to adjust the amount of interior light to suit the amount of light in their room. Press the Heat Flame button to turn on the fireplace. Hold the Enter button until the purifier icon flashes, and using the arrow keys, navigate to the light bulb icon and press Enter. Press the plus and minus arrows on the remote to set the brightness of the upper lights. The bar graph displayed on the remote indicates the brightness range. Press Enter to return to the main menu. Ambient light sensor. This function automatically adjusts the firebox brightness to suit the amount of light in the room. The ambient light sensor is located on the bottom of the remote. This will dim the top lights of the fireplace as the room gets darker to give a more realistic flame effect. To turn the ambient light sensor on and off, press the Heat Flame button to turn on the fireplace. Hold the Enter button until the purifier icon flashes, and using the arrow keys, navigate to the light bulb icon and press Enter. Use the check or up arrow to turn the ambient light sensor on, and use the X or down arrow to turn it off. Press Enter to return to the main menu. Slow Start Fading Ambers. This function allows the user to activate the Slow Start and Fading Ambers function so that the fire builds slowly and fades slowly when the unit is turned on or off. The Slow Start feature is designed to simulate a starting fire. The Slow Start function is factory set at 30 seconds. The Fading Ambers feature is designed to simulate a fire going out. This can be set for 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. Hold the Enter button until the purifier icon flashes. Using the arrow keys, navigate to the Slow Start Fading Ambers icon and press Enter. Press the plus and minus arrows to set the fading ambers for 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. Press the check arrow to turn the Slow Start Fading Ambers feature on. Press the Enter button to return to the main menu. Press the Heat Flame button to activate the Slow Start feature. Once activated, the unit will start slowly and fade slowly when the fireplace is turned on or off.